Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem from graph, especially scatter plot. Let us first read the problem. They have given a graph which talks about US production of plastic. Between 1985 and 2003, data were collected every 3 years on the amount of plastic produced annually in the US in billions of pounds. The graph above shows the data and the line of best fit. The equation of the line of best fit is y equals 3.39x plus 46.89, where x is the number of years since 1985 and y is the amount of plastic produced annually in billions of pounds. Now to the problem. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 3.39 in the context of the problem? So now we need to find out what 3.39 means in the equation for the line of best fit. So let's see the equation. Y equals 3.39x plus 46.89. Now if you look at this one, x represents the number of years since 1985. So in 1985, it would be here and x would be 0, which means y equals 46.89, which is marked here. And then when x is 3 is the next year where we are going to calculate, and that one is here. So we put x is 3, so it's 3.39 times x. So what this 3.39 means is every year you produce this much plastic. So in 3 years you produce 3.39 times 3, and then you add the base, which was for 1985, which is 46.89. So what does this 3.39 mean? It means every year whatever plastic they produce. Well, let's look at the answer choice and see which one makes more sense. A. The amount of plastic in billions of pounds produced in the US during year 1985. That we clearly said when x is 0, it produced 46 point something. So A is not the answer. B. The number of years it took US to produce 1 billion pounds of plastic. Now already they are producing 46 billion pounds in the 1985 itself. So that doesn't make sense. See, the average annual plastic production in billions of pounds in the US from 1985 to 2003. So that's not the average annual plastic production, because if you see in the year 1985, they produced 46 billion. So 3.39 billion cannot be the average. So that is also not the answer. Obviously, D is the correct answer. So let's see what D is, the average annual increase. So that's what we said. On an average, 3.39 is what they produce. So the average annual increase in billions of pounds of plastic produced per year in the US from 1985 to 2003. So D makes more sense, and that is what 3.39 represents. So D is the correct answer, and that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.